Hey everyone, welcome back to Note Tab. Today, we're diving into the secrets of writing like a pro. Ever written an essay and felt like something was off? Well, don't worry, because today, we're talking about revising and editing your expository essay. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about revising. Revising is all about improving the content and structure of your essay. Think of it like remodeling a house. You're not changing the foundation, but you're rearranging the furniture and adding decorations to make everything flow better. Check for clarity. Does every paragraph have a clear main idea with strong supporting details? Improve organization. Make sure your ideas flow logically. Maybe switch around some sentences or paragraphs. Use transition words. Words like first, next, therefore help your ideas connect smoothly. Eliminate unnecessary details. Get rid of anything off topic or repetitive. Less is more. Enhance word choice. Swap out boring words for more engaging, precise vocabulary. Does my essay clearly answer the prompt? Are my ideas in a logical order? Do I have enough supporting details? Alright, now that we've fine-tuned our ideas, it's time for, drumroll please, editing. Editing is where we clean things up, fixing grammar, punctuation, and spelling to make your essay error-free and polished. Check for sentence errors. Fix run-ons and fragments. No one likes a never-ending sentence. Correct spelling mistakes, don't just trust autocorrect. Double-check with a dictionary or spell checker. Fix punctuation errors. Make sure commas, periods, and quotation marks are in the right places. Improve sentence structure. Avoid choppy or super long sentences. Read your essay out loud, it helps. Check for subject-verb agreement. If your subject is singular, your verb should be singular too. Simple, right? Are all my sentences complete? Did I use the correct punctuation and capitalization? Did I check for common spelling errors? And that's it. Revising and editing might take extra time, but trust me, it's the difference between a good essay and a great one. So next time you write, remember these tips. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more awesome writing tips and drop a comment below. What's your biggest struggle when revising and editing? See you next time.